Imperial Franz Hermle Italian brass mantel clock with a pair of brass candelabras, includes brass snuffer, and replacement winding key star. Has a glass front covering the dial and the porcelain numbers. Has a north face theme going on the clock, as well as the candelabras. This is a matching set. There are some hard to see blemishes on the brass finish. Trying to show them to you, but as I said, they're hard to see. Probably shouldn't even mention it. Glass front opens. It's a beautiful face, nice white porcelain back covered numbers. The movement is made by Hermle, Franz, from Germany, and the brass is Italian. The set will come with 12 white candles. Thank you for looking.